Hey, are you the winner of the Braun TriForce Power Blender with Smoothie2Go from last week's Review to You video? Let's find out. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. We want to hear from you, our subscribers. Yeah, you. Do you have any products you've got your eyes on that you'd like to see us review and then give away? Drop us a comment below and let us know what products you have in mind. We'd love to hear from you. In fact, let's take a look at the next 3 products we're reviewing and then giving away. This Friday, it's the Epson EcoTank ET3830 wireless color, all-in-one cartridge-free super tank printer with scan. The next Monday, we bring you the Ray-Ban Stories Smart Sunglasses. And then Wednesday, you don't want to miss this one. It's the Amazon Halo View Fitness Tracker. Last week for Women's Wednesday, we reviewed the Braun TriForce Power Blender with Smoothie2Go and gave it a perfect 5 out of 5 stars. So, which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the Braun TriForce Power Blender with Smoothie2Go is Fun and Survival. Congratulations, Fun and Survival. We're going to get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. If you want the chance to be a winner like Fun and Survival, you can start by subscribing to Review to You and turning on post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review and giveaways. You know, we do them 3 times every single week. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.